So, just got another package from TEMU. Took about 8 days to get here from China, which I don't think is too bad. There's so many good buys on there, everything, but I'll get into this and show you what I've got this time. I will leave a link down in the comment bit down below, and I am affiliated, so if you do go on there I'll get a few pence from it doesn't cost you any more and helps me get something back for doing these videos. Anyway, let's get into what's in here. So this here is a magnetic system for cameras. If like me you've got a couple of cameras and the GoPro, and you're forever unscrewing the GoPro to put different mounts on, this is absolutely brilliant. But you have to wait until towards the end, because I'm actually using the system to film this. So once I've done the bulk of the video, I will show you just how good this is. So that's that. This here is to go around the neck like so. Now this bit on the end here is part of this system, so as I say, wait till the end and I'll show you what it's all about. But this itself, I've looked for different neck things for GoPros and they're fortunes. This was £2.50, great deal. What else? I've bought a few little bags in here in this order because of keeping cables and things for different cameras. So in here you've got a little wrist strap, the velcro strap that will hold something in there, some pockets and a bigger pocket. So as I say, when you're using different cameras, I've got different batteries, different leads, and I'm trying to give each camera its own bag so that I know that when I pick it up I've got the right batteries and bits that I need, whether it be filters, batteries, all sorts. So that's a small one. I then bought this one here, if I can get it out. Again, this one is more of a travel bag for toiletries, but I thought for the price it was just over £1. It will do for what I want. So there's a couple of pockets here, again 2 pockets there and there, swing that over, and a larger pocket for larger stuff there. So it may get used for toiletries, or it will probably get used for camera bits. Now these I've got one previously in dark blue. Again, these are only a couple of pounds, and these are great. You've got lots of room for all your leads in there. This is just like a camera bag where you can divide everything up into bits that you want. So yeah, they're great. So as I say, I've already got a dark blue one which is full. I've got the grey one and this one, which is the black one. And there on the back it shows you where you can divide it up, put bits and pieces in. So again, these are all going to get used. I'm going to stick a label on them so I know what they've got in there for which cameras. I can just grab the camera and grab a bag. This here, these, I think these are under £1. I think they're about 80 pence or something. They're a little action camera box. I opened this and put this in there earlier, but you can put an action cam in and anything extra in there. And then what I'd do is I'd use this inside of one of these, so the camera doesn't get damaged, the lens don't get scratched, all for under £1. That's how they come. So that's another one of the little action cam GoPro type camera cases. These are little stick-on connectors that you can put through your cables. Try and tidy up the tables on the tables. Try and tidy up the cables on the tables. That's what I was wanting to say. So they're white, and these are clear plastic ones. So I can use them wherever, whichever suits really. So that's that.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like there's an issue with the router and Echo device, so try restarting them.
Sorry about that.
Unplug both of them, then plug the router back in.
I also got
30 seconds.
This
once the router is back
super
on and
clear
connected to the internet,
tape.
Plug in the Echo device.
It's that clear that you can see my fingerprint on there. So when it comes to putting those in clear plastic ones on, they give you 3M stickers there, but I'm probably going to use these because it's pretty much like an invisible type of fitting. So a roll of this super sticky stuff, and it is strong, it's just over £1. This is some Velcro strapping. It's I think it's for garden, you know, tying back roses and bits and pieces, but I thought it'd be ideal for putting around some of the cables. Just cut it, and any cables that I've got that haven't got a tie, thought that'd be useful. That was under 20 pence. I think it was about 16 pence or 18 pence. So I thought I'd give that a go. On this, I think this was £2. It is a tablet holder. Let's get a shot of that. So, yeah, this folds up really neat, like so. You open this up, you fold those out, and if I can find a tablet, that one will do. There's a tablet on there. This comes round, and hey presto, you've got a tablet stand. And as you know, if you go on Amazon over here in the UK, they're not cheap tablet holders, but this was like £2, and it's great. I can alter the angle. It's, yeah, really good. So close those up, put that down, and stick it in the case. So yeah, I really like this. So that's that lot. I'm guessing now you want to see the camera holder. So let's get the GoPro down off of here. Now the GoPro was actually on one of the fittings there. So if I want to put it on my neck, I'll just put it in there, turn it a quarter of a turn, and hey presto, it's there, it's done. Then to take it off, just pull down the little red catch, turn it a quarter of a turn, and pull it out. The magnets are really strong. So this is my sort of flexible clip-on arm. Again, I've put one on here, line it up, he says. Why is it when you're, oh, that's it, it's in. That was me. So yeah, in it goes, quarter of a turn, you hear it click, and hey, that's it, it's in. And it is very strong, there's no movement on the fitting itself. So again, just pull that little red lever down, twist, and out it comes. It's, you can feel, yeah, so once it's in there, put it in, quarter of a turn, and it's locked. Pull down this little red clip here, quarter or a turn, and out it comes. You feel the magnets itself hold it. So I got this in with this order. So basically with it you get one of these mounts, which is the GoPro type mount. You get one of the this is probably really tight, one of the ones where you slide it in base. You get another one which is a GoPro type mount, so that's fitted on there, and then you get one other one which is which has got a quarter thread on it, so you can put it on top of a tripod or whatever, and then just clip them from one to the other. I'm really impressed with it. You know, I think, well, the trouble that you get with unscrewing these all the time and changing mounts, this is really great, and the price was around £12. So you look at the other systems and you're looking at a lot more money. So yeah, I think this is one of my favourites at the moment, the mount. So this is definitely one of my favourites at the moment. So it's straight in, turn, locked, done. So there you go. Great little bargain. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this. As I say, I'll leave a link down in the description that will, or is, an affiliate link, and have a look, because you will find anything and everything on TEMU, and it's fast shipping now, 7 or 8 days normally. So yeah, if you've got anything from this, please hit the thumbs up, and it'd be even nicer if you can subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and would greatly help me out. But anyway, have fun, enjoy looking on TEMU, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.